Hello, welcome. This is the third part of my free mixing plugin videos series, if we can call it that. Today I'm going to show you just effects. So I got a plugin that have all together like beat crush, reverb, chorus and stuff, a panoramic effects, a dynamic effects and a reverb delay effects. So let's begin. The source today is going to be a piano sequence, just a normal regular ass piano. Alright. Okay, so the first plugin is called Zen Master, and this is a great plugin. It got a lot of effects. So let's listen to the track without anything, right? And then with it. So this plugin got a lot of effects altogether, right? We got Ascend, that is a reverb. We got Vinyl, that is self-explanatory, right? Electrify, that is a beat crusher. And Imbalance and Hypnosis, that I guess that are like a chorus and a flutter effects, I think. But yeah, this plugin can really transform the source material. So if you're doing lo-fi or sound design or whatever you're doing, Zen Master from Unison Audio, go check it out. Alright, so the second plugin that I'm going to show you is called Pancake 2. This is a panoramic plugin, so spatial plugin. Basically, it takes your signal and pans left and right, and with an LFO here. So you can decide the rate, the speed of the effects, and basically you don't have to use any kind of automation. It's already written here. So let's just hear it. Right, so this plugin is great if you want to use it on percussions or whatever that you want to really put in a dimension inside of your mix. And the fact that you can basically control the mix here, the wet and dry signal, and the rates, it gives you everything that you need. And yeah, of course there are a lot of parameters, but if you just open the plugins here, this is just self-explanatory, so I love it. So check it out. Then the third plugin that I have here is called Leveler. This plugin is really great, especially if you're doing something like podcasts or interviews and you have a lot of vocals, or I don't know, audiobooks. You choose a target level here, and basically this plugin keeps doing automations to your volume in order to maintain it on that threshold. So it works similar to a compressor, but it doesn't squash the signal. It just raises it with automations. So instead of doing it all to all of your track, you just put this plugin and you're fine. It maintains a flat kind of response, you know. So this is really useful as a plugin. Check it out. Lastly, we have the Supermassive from Valhalla, and this is a awesome plugin. This is a reverb and delay plugin. So here I put a preset that is just a reverb. So right? But we also have some delays, so just put something random. So Valhalla plugins are really high quality, and they have other free plugins. So you should check out all the suits that they got. But the Supermassive is one of the one that I use the most, even amongst the non-free one. This and Vintage Verb are like my top choice. All right, and so this is a really good plugin, and if we listen to all of them all together. Alright, so thank you for watching this free mixing plugin series. I'm probably going to do other videos about these plugins if and only if I found something that I keep using. Because sometimes you just download stuff because of the hype or want to try something new, but after a while you're not using it, so it's not worth it, you know. So I'm just going to suggest you stuff that I'm using constantly and stuff that I really like. So thank you for watching again, and if you want to see something like this again, subscribe, leave a like, comment, money, whatever, you know. Everything is fine. Thank you. Cheers. Bye bye bye.